Hello guys, I'm making a video to show you how to install the Files Inbox from CodeCanyon. So the first step, I downloaded the product like you. First unzip what you downloaded, go in the folder and select everything and copy it. The second step, we will need a place like a website, for example, from your hosting company to install. For this video, it will be in the local host on my computer. So I go in my lab and I create a new folder called Files Inbox, for example. I will just check the folder is created. See, I'm on the website and I go in Files Inbox. Right now it's empty. You go back to your folder in your system and you copy all the elements, or you upload them if you are online. When it's done, you are almost ready to use the product. You just have to modify two files. The first one is the htaccess files. So you open it. Most of the time it will be hidden on your system, so you have to find the option to show hidden files. You open it and you see this. You have one line to change on it. This is this one, rewrite base, and you have to change this part. So how do you find it? Well, you have some examples here. It's based on your uploader URL. So for example, if your product will be accessible via this URL, you just put a slash. If you have something after the domain, you put it in the configuration. So for us, in this case, well, we have the domain here, for example, yourwebsite.com, and you take all the rest here, okay, and you copy it in this line, okay, simple, and you save. That's enough. The second file to change is config.php. Okay, you open it with your editor. I use Sublime Text 2, and you don't have a lot of things to change. Well, you just have to change. You take the whole URL, you put it in there. Notice no trailing slash, okay, so you remove the slash at the end if you have one. You don't have to change this. Here we will set the database setting. So first we have to create a new database. So I guess you must have something like phpMyAdmin to create databases. So we will make a new one. Create a database. We'll call it Files Inbox. It's not used, okay. And in this I used to use UTF-8 General CI. Don't ask me why, it just works. Okay, and that's it. Okay, and we will populate this database with a SQL file I made for you. So you go to import, you choose a file, and we will go to your files inbox. So it's in lab, files inbox, doc, and you have a SQL file. It will create everything to make it work, and we choose it and execute. Very quick. The file is very light, so it doesn't take too much time. Okay, so we created a database, so we can come back to Sublime Text. You just set your login and password. For the local machine it's root, but you have your own password. The DB name, we called it Files Inbox. Check your name. And DB host, in most cases it will be localhost, but it can be anything, so check with your hosting provider. Well, then you can choose admin login and admin pass. We will keep admin and admin for this demo, and that's it. You have other configuration, but we will do the very minimum for this one. And so you go back to your files inbox, you check it. A good way to check if everything works is you go to your admin screen, check if you can log in. Yeah, it works. And then you try and upload. For example, we will send beautiful pictures and send. And yeah, it's done. So I hope it can help you, and if you have any question, ask me in the comments. Bye.